guys, for today's video we're going to be making Oreo cream pies. Here's some of the basic ingredients that we'll be using. I have here some of our Oreo cookies. We're also going to use some heavy cream, 1 cup. Also have some sweet condensed milk, pure vanilla extract, and I'll use some of this white fudge covered Oreo bites. Get this from your local market. And then you'll need yourself a bowl and some other mixing tools you see me use as well, and then your cupcake pans and your cupcake tins. Stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and mash them up. Alright, you guys, next we're going to go ahead and add in our cookies to our baggie, and then we're going to mash them all up. And then we're going to put it in the bowl with our melted butter, so stay tuned. Add in our 1 cup of heavy cream to your bowl. Okay, next you're going to add in half of the condensed milk, just half of it. So it's about 14 ounces, so you just want 7 ounces in there. Okay, and then you're going to add in just a half of teaspoon of the pure vanilla extract. chunks to this, guys, and lightly mix it. Don't mix it too heavy because you want to have a little bit of those chunks in there, and then we'll go ahead and set it in our pan.